Hello champions, welcome back to the series of Learn Python with Abbas. We were discussing indentation and what the error of indentations are. We were also learning for loop and the list. So what the indentation is? The rule of indentation is if the following lines are the upcoming lines are the part of the current line, then all the following up lines they are supposed to have indentation. And this rules applies in the for loop, while loop, classes, defining descriptions, and like so on. Like the if condition, if you are creating any conditions, then with the if, elif, and etc. So let me give you an example of it. Let's suppose I'm saying I'm having a list which is totally empty and I want to store value into it, and I'm saying for e in range, and the range is up to 5. So basically it will take 0 1 2 3 4. I will explain it to you in more deeper sense. So when I put the enter, if you see, it is already providing indentation to me, but if I put enter in here, there is no indentation. But if I am putting enter after this, uh, for loop for e in range, and then the range is 5, and after colon if I'm pressing the enter, then it is only already providing me indentation by default. So let's suppose I'm saying my list, not my list, like this. I want to append a new value into it, and at the end I am just saying print me the value of my list, so I may have the better idea whatever is stored inside my list. Okay, bingo. So 0 1 2 3 4. So this is the way you can print the range. So range always work like this. It will take from the 0 up to the value you are providing -1, but we will discuss it in the later upcoming videos. Don't worry about it. My second aim was, I was saying I'm having the another variable which has the value of 10. Right after you append the value from the range, just append another value from the m into it. Okay, so basically output should be like this: 0 10 1 10 2 10 3 10 and 4 10. But mistakenly I'm doing like this. Now what happened? My intent, I was intending to do 0 10 1 10 2 10, but because of my mistake I didn't provide indentation at the right place. Now it is 0 1 2 3 4 and 10 at the end. So these are the mistakes if you are not very careful while you are writing any code in the Python language where the indentation is required and you are not carefully handling it. It will disturb your data. Like, we can handle the data in here because it's the 5-line code and we are just printing a single value out in here. But if you are working with the data bank which is having the data of more than 50,000 or 50 lakh or 50 millions into it, and with a single entry you are disturbing the entire data, then you can imagine how difficult it will be for you and your entire team to handle the data and to reverse it in the right order. You might lose your data, so you have to be very careful with it. So and this is just limited to the indentation. In the next video we will discuss the range, more the for and the while loop, and then we will discuss the dictionary and the other stuffs. Till then, take care.